Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make juicy pasta at home. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality pasta and a flavorful sauce base. We will explore how to transform simple components into a restaurant-worthy dish. This easy method emphasizes technique over complex ingredients, ensuring a delicious result every time. You will learn to create a perfectly coated pasta that is incredibly satisfying and full of flavor, ready in under 30 minutes. For our juicy pasta, you will need about 8 ounces of your favorite dried pasta. A good quality pasta makes a noticeable difference in texture and flavor. Have on hand about 1 cup of your preferred sauce base. A simple marinara or a rich pesto works wonderfully. Don't forget fresh garlic, perhaps 2 to 3 cloves minced, and a handful of fresh basil leaves for that aromatic touch. These foundational ingredients are key to building deep flavor. The magic happens when you combine the pasta and sauce. Cook your pasta until it is just al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. This usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Crucially, before draining, scoop out about 1 to 2 cups of that starchy pasta water. This water is liquid gold. Add your al dente pasta directly to your warm sauce, then slowly incorporate the reserved pasta water, stirring vigorously. This creates a luscious, glossy, and incredibly juicy sauce that clings beautifully to every strand. To complete your masterpiece, stir in about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese. This adds a wonderful salty, umami depth and helps thicken the sauce further. A final drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil enhances the silkiness and flavor. Garnish with a few torn fresh basil leaves for a burst of freshness. Serve your juicy pasta immediately, ensuring everyone enjoys it at its peak deliciousness. Enjoy your perfectly juicy, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.